In our business, we love the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive a great review, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. This is one of our favorite reviews that we've been given. We love hearing we're doing a great job as we work very hard for all of our customers, providing the best service possible and listening carefully to our customer needs. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident that you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We are only one call away from serving you.